In this video, we're talking about powers and exponents. Powers and exponents are the same word for a particular thing. So now what is that exponent mean? An exponent or a power is a positive or negative number placed above and to the right of a quantity. It expresses the power to which the quantity is to be raised or lowered. For example, here x raised to the power 3. So how are we going to read it? We read it out. It's like this. X raised to the power 3 is equal to, we have to multiply x with 3 times because the exponent is 3. So we have two things here. X is called the base and 3 is the exponent or power. So now let's just take the example of real number 2, and which is a positive number. So 2 raised to the power 3, we have to multiply 2 with 3 times. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. So here 3 is a positive number. So is the positive exponent, and 2 also is a positive number. So what happens if the power of the exponent is negative? So let's just come here this side. So if the power is negative, then how we gonna solve this one out? So if the exponent is negative, such as x raised to the power minus 3, then the base can be dropped under the number 1 in a fraction and the exponent made positive. Now this is very theoretical, so let's just clear out it with an example. So we have write down here x raised to the power minus 3. So we have equal to 1 divided by x raised to the power 3. So let's just take example of 2 raised to the power minus 3. So it will become 1 and then 2 and the power will become positive. Okay, we have to use that rule. Okay, and now we have just solved out here. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. So it equal to 8. So 2 raised to the power negative 3 is equal to 1 divided by 8. So that's how we can solve with the positive exponent or with the negative exponent. And these two are really important point to remember. Now there are two also most important point that I want to tell you in this video, and these two are really important for your questions in your exam or in your quizzes or your practice exam. And these are x raised to the power 1 always equal to x, and x raised to the power 0 always equal to 1. So let's just take the example 4 raised to the power 1. Now 4 raised to the power 1, so we have to multiply 4 with how many times? 1. So 4 times 1 will be 4. Okay, so 4 times 1, 4 raised to the power 1 is 4. Same with x raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 4 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. It is true for all the number in the world. These both things always true for all the number in the world, whether the negative or positive number.